So it's officially the Redmi Note 10 unboxing time. Let's go into the unboxing, shall we? Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Techikers and I'm Vikram, and today, sorry for stopping you guys from an unboxing. So here today we were actually unboxing the Redmi Note 10, and this is actually not kind of unboxing and then review on it kind of thing. Actually, this phone is actually a surprise because I am gonna give this phone to this guy. Okay, I don't put the picture right here, but guess who's the boy, and comment below, and I'm gonna be gifting this phone to that guy. And comment below, I'm gonna tell who's that guy in the last minute of the video. Okay, watch the unboxing, come there, let me see you guys in the last minute of the video. The smooth unboxing is good. Oh my gosh, the punch-out design is new to me because I'm using an iPhone with a notch and a Samsung phone with a water drop notch. This back looks actually very good. Let's remove the wrappers. Man, this is so matte. I guess you can see the light matte, like the reflection in matte phones are different. It doesn't reflect in a kind of way that a glossy phone did. And the camera module is super awesome, and it's written ultra premium, and the camera module has a different reflection if you can see. And the phone has an inbuilt fingerprint sensor in the home button, like the power button. Let's turn on the phone. Okay, until that turns on, let's go into the next part of the unboxing, which is essentially the chargers. And Vivo gives and Redmi does give cases to their phones. And here is a pin remover, and it has a cute little TPU case with the power button cutout for the fingerprint. That's really cute. And it has a charging adapter, which is of about 18 to 20 watts, USB to Type C, I guess. And this thing has a Type C port, from USB to a Type C port. This thing has actually turned on. It has Mi 12 in the home page. Let's go and set it up. Okay, can't go back for that one. It has a Mi UI. Yes, okay, let me do all this stuff. See you guys in the next video. Until then, let me give you the review in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Until then, stay in safe. Peace. Okay, it's now or never, cause I'm gonna give this phone to this guy. So yeah, he's my cousin. He also has a channel called Everything About Football, where he talks about football players and skills and kind of stuff. And this channel, Surya Magesh, where he talks about all kind of stuff. And now recently he's actually talked about cryptocurrency, bitcoins. It would be really worth it if you go and watch it and share it, because not all of us know about cryptocurrency yet. About 95% of people in India kind of know what's cryptocurrency and bitcoin, but they actually don't have a perfect idea about it. So a share would be marvelous. And why the phone? Because I actually told you, yeah, he actually kind of owns two channels. So I take my videos on my phone, and this phone can actually, I actually packed it to send it to him. This phone can actually take videos up to 4K, which my iPhone is capable of. So his channel's video quality is going to improve. And we actually got a BM800 mic, which I'll also be sending it to Surya Magesh, so his audio quality can also improve. And I'll also be sending my HP Pavilion X360 to that guy for editing, and it's cool and kind of all those stuff mixed together. And that's why I brought this MacBook. And soon the review is coming to the channel, so a sub to the channel would be delicious. Fine, see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay in, stay safe. Peace.